Hey everyone, so I wanted to share with you all how I took my professional looking, high quality product pictures. The first thing I got were these fake flowers or fake roses. I also got two of these pink ones just to kind of go with the red and pink theme for Mother's Day. Next, for one of my box ideas, I just got this red one. It's kind of sequence. This is how it looks on the inside, and this is what some of my products will come in as well. Next thing is I got these bigger boxes. These are how these ones look. They're definitely much bigger. They're not as wide though. I got this black and gold one and then these red and white ones, and I also get my crinkle paper. I get red and white. I have this white wrapping paper, and then I also got one that's white with sequins on it. Last but not least, I got this chalkboard that I had the idea to write Happy Mother's Day on as a prop to sit behind some of the products. And then I also got some chalk. I got some white chalk and I got some colorful chalk. And here is everything I got, or a few of everything I got to take my professional product pictures. Definitely do not sleep on the dollar store, and just wait until the end to see how these pictures came out.